Hi guys, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix the E01 error on your Braun Coffee Maker. But first, what does E1 mean? The E1 error code indicates issues with the water level in the water tank or the sensors are malfunctioning. The following are some of the causes of the error: faulty sensors to detect the water levels, clogged filters in the tank, or low water levels in the tank. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the error. Fill the water tank. Inspect the water levels in the tank. Fill the water tank to the recommended water level. Switch off the machine and disconnect it from the power for 15 seconds. Reconnect the machine and turn it on. Descale the coffee maker. Remove the filter holder and add water and a cleaner to the machine's water reservoir and set the empty carafe in its designated spot. Press down the Clean button. The button's green LED light will begin to flash. Push Brew to initiate the descaling program while the green light still flashes. Contact repair professionals. Call the Braun call center at 1-888-977-3578. The number is in the description. Explain your error to them and they will assist you appropriately. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.